Okay, this is for Module 5, Reflection. So the first question was what were my three favorite websites we examined this module. Top one is definitely BrainPop. I love BrainPop. One of my best memories of grade school and middle school even is using BrainPop. I loved BrainPop. It was so fun. There are so many things you can do with BrainPop. Like, just it's amazing. It's a lot to explain, but like I just love how you can do activities, and then you can have a quiz at the end, and you can have there's games involved in the videos. It's just really fun. I think it's a really fun way to help the kids learn while still while they're having fun. My next one would be Kia. I do love Kia. I love the idea of it. I had teachers in high school that overused Kia a bit, which is why I don't particularly love it. But I think if it's used in the right way in the right conditions, I think it can be really beneficial to students and to teachers. And then I also liked one that haven't heard of before, which is the For Teachers. I really loved that website. It just looking at it, even the few little bit that I did look at it, I think it had so much to offer, and for different grade levels, for different subjects even. So I think that can definitely be something that I think would be very beneficial in a future classroom for any age group. And I think all teachers need help sometimes. So I think it's great to have websites like that that do help and do want to create better teachers. The next question was experience using Kia. Like I said before, I've used Kia before. I've took quizzes on Kia before in high school. I think it's definitely something that I think especially being a history teacher, I think I could definitely use it as a future educator. Again, like not every single time. I think it's good to differentiate quizzes and tests to see what works best for students. And maybe some students struggle with paper tests and they do better with online tests and vice versa. So I think it's good to try different things and find out what works best for your classroom. Maybe different students need different things. So I think it can be used. I think it just needs to be used in the correct way. And the OER repositories, I looked at the one, the Merlot, and I didn't look at it very much because it's kind of confusing to like dig into. But again, I think once I get to the point where I'm starting to teach and I need to find source material for a project, I think especially again I'm being biased because I'm a history major, but I think history majors can use this a lot because it has so much source material. I think you can find like documents from certain eras and certain time periods that would be really helpful in lessons. So I think that's how I would use it in my future classroom. So I think that's it for this reflection. Thank you.